skin hits my lips, longing to get a taste of them barbecue ribs, y'all. To living making pies, chocolate covered fingers, dark blueberry eyes, got that light powdered sugar sprinkled all in her hair. Her apple turnover is beyond compare. When it's hot and sticky and you want something cool and sweet, she keeps her handle cranking on that homemade ice cream. Memphis women and fried chicken. Memphis women and chicken. Memphis women and fried chicken. Memphis women and chicken. I would take a leg or a thigh, a breast, maybe another breast. I'm just talking about the chicken. I saw a fella out there grinning at me thinking I was talking about parts of a woman, but I was, in my mind, only thinking about the chicken.
How you doing, baby?
The Memphis women and the southern fried chicken. Memphis women and chicken. Memphis women and fried chicken. Memphis women and chicken.